we are one step closer. We're all in this together, put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, moving on. Oh, wow. It looks like we made it.
Good morning. It's Friday. Woohoo! So, what's today? Gym, food shop. What else? Video editing. What else? I'm not sure actually, but I might actually get the food prep done today because I've nothing else massively planned, and then that means that we've got the weekend to chill out. That could work. Yeah, because we might be seeing Jason's dad over the weekend because we didn't get a chance to see him at Christmas. So we need to take their presents over anyway. So yeah, that might be better actually. So I could do the food prep today and then it's done, isn't it? Because it's all going in the freezer anyway. I think I'll do that, yeah. So I will see you in a bit. Hi guys. So we've done the big shop. I cannot believe it. So this week's shop, we usually have one shop per month. That's what we would call a massive shop where we're getting pretty much everything that we would need for the week. So it was one of them shops. It was a big shop and it would come to 160 quid. And we don't buy anything too extravagant. I don't tend to go for like name brands. I buy like Aldi's own washing liquid, Aldi's own fabric conditioner. You know, I don't go crazy when it comes to spending. Everything is just so much more expensive, isn't it? I mean, when I do a weekly shop, I am shopping for breakfast, lunch and dinner for 3 of us for the full week. Snacks, a few little treats, nothing major. I mean, the secret chocolate shelf at the minute is absolutely heaving with stuff because we've been gifted a hell of a lot of chocolate and biscuits and things like that. They'll stay there for months. And we won't buy any additional treats now because, well, we don't need to. We can just get through that stuff. So, yeah, I mean, when you think about it in those terms, we don't eat out. We have one takeaway a week. So everything that we could possibly need to eat is covered. So when I'm out and about, I don't buy things. I'll take food out with me if I'm working out of the house all day. So, you know, I suppose in that sense, we also drinks. We also buy a huge amount of drinks so that we're not buying drinks when we're out. I get Luke bottled flavoured water that he takes to college with him so he's not spending a fortune on drinks. Mind you, he supplements his own spending. I just kind of cover the food side of things for, you know, general basic stuff. Anything extra that he wants to treat himself to, that comes out of his own money. But yeah, when you think about it in those terms, I suppose it's only like 50 odd quid a week per person. Well, that isn't that much when you think about breakfast, lunch and tea, you know. So I suppose in that sense it's not too painful, but my God, 160 bloody quid. Insane. Absolutely insane. And that was Aldi. I said to Jay, imagine if we'd done that online and had it delivered from Asda. It would have been probably an additional third of that. Easy. So I suppose in that sense, again, you know, it's not too painful, but we're fully stocked. So at the moment I am, well, I've just been getting the kitchen organised. So I've been putting things in tubs and organising stuff. I've done myself a big batch of boiled eggs. so that I've got like snacky things. We've also got things in the fridge, like I've bought some meatballs, because the ones that Aldi do, I think the German meatballs are called, they're really good for protein and they're not too bad on the calories. So when Jason's, sorry, that's my bloody washing machine. When Jason's not having a sandwich for his lunch in the week, I'm going to be doing him like a little salad box with loads of like nibbly things in it, some olives, cherry tomatoes, that kind of thing. He's gone and lost bloody £7 since Christmas. I can't believe it. He's doing so well, and he's not even on the injection or anything. He's just doing it. Bloody amazing. So yeah, I'm just going to start getting on with these prep meals, because we're going to Jason's dad's tomorrow, and then on Sunday I might be going to Skipton. If we don't go this Sunday, there'll be other times, but I would really like to go, so I'll keep you posted on that one. Anyway, I'm going to get on with this food.
I got no reason to be sad. My mood always convince me that it's bad. With every emotion that I had, but you don't get. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. My God, it's so strange. You're right. I got you sent from miles away. It's a freeway to outer space. If you give me it, baby, I swear that will be alright. I'm asking to save it all over again. I'm asking to save it all over again. If we were a movie, then how would it end? But you don't care. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. My God, it's so strange. If we decide that we're good, wanna see you crying too. Show it means something to you. If you got plans to let me go, please don't let me know. If you got plans to let me go, please don't let me know. Oh my God, it's so strange how we end up being here again. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. I don't care as long as you get me off my feet. I don't know what to say. My God, it's so strange. You're right. I saw your face in a big crowd, and now it's all I think about. I've had some leads, but nothing found. A puzzle I can't figure out. I'm running circles and I don't have a plan. I've gotten myself stuck with an impossible task. Looking through my files and I'm checking the news. I'm trying everything I can to get back to you. I'm coming through. I'm in person. I'm coming I need a hand, I need a clue, 'cause all I have is you. I'm running circles and I don't have a plan. I got a mess, I'm stuck with an impossible task. Looking through my files and I'm checking the news. I'm trying anything I can to get back to you. I'm coming through. I'm in person. I'm in person. That's right. I'm in person. I'm in person.
Hey guys, it's me. So, I'm just chilling out now. I've actually realised I'm behind on my video editing. I've been like, ooh, doing all my meal prep and everything. And then I'm like, oh shit, I was supposed to be editing some videos this evening, but never mind. I'll catch up tomorrow. So I'm just chilling out now. I'm absolutely shattered. I've done all the meal prep now. I've just got the chicken taco casserole to box up, but it's still simmering away at the minute. We've ordered some food, so that's on the way now, because it's our little Friday night treat. I'm actually really paranoid about having anything. I mean, I've literally just had my shake today, and then I had a skinny whip when we were putting the shopping away, and that's all I've had, apart from my collagen coffee and my juice this morning. But I'm like so paranoid because I don't want to step on the scales on Sunday morning and be like so disappointed that I won't have lost anything. But then I'm thinking, I've not had anywhere near enough calories to gain anything, so that can't happen. But I'm still like proper overthinking it and like, oh, maybe I should just have a sandwich or something. But no. Just no. It's our Friday night treat. I've not been crazy this week. I've been really trying to get my focus back in gear and, you know, really knuckling down, and I've been avoiding too much sweet stuff, but I would just like to see another £20 come off, and to get to that £100 loss would be amazing. So good. But let's see how it goes. So tomorrow we're going visiting Jason's dad and his stepmom, so that will be very nice. And then later in the afternoon I'm just going to be catching up on video stuff. So I've just been like la, not even thinking about it. So yeah, I need to get back on track with that. But then Sunday I'm just going to be a lady of leisure, pretty much. I've got a few cleaning bits that I need to do and stuff like that, but nothing major. So I might be able to persuade the lads to go to Skipton, we'll see. But I might not even feel like it myself. I might be just like, oh no, let's just stay at home and chill out. I'm not back in work till Tuesday, so I've actually got Monday off as well. I've got a webinar session on Monday from Oviva. So part of the programme, I'm required to attend these webinars that they have. They're like educational sessions about managing your diet and food cravings, and they have all sorts. They had one on cooking a couple of weeks ago that I went to. I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.